In this video, I'll be showing how to replace an intake camshaft position sensor on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the back side of the engine. Let's get started. Let's remove our oil cap, set it aside. I like to put on the hood latch. Then on the lower right corner, we're going to locate a T30 screw. Go ahead and remove that. And set it aside. Now that my oil cap is off and my screw is off as well, I'm going to go ahead and pull up on the engine cover. So pull up on the right side. You'll find two rubber grommets. I'll set the engine cover aside. Now let's remove the foam. Just pull up on the corners. And we can set this aside. To locate my intake camshaft position sensor, I'm going to go follow the fuel rail. We have number 3. After number 3, we're going to follow the fuel line, and it's going to be right behind this junction right here. So here's the bolts. I'm going to go ahead and remove the connector first. Now that I have my connector located, I'm going to use a pick to undo the red clip. I'm going to use one hand to hold it and one finger to push down and pull out. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Set it aside. I'm going to use a 10mm socket on the ratchet to remove the bolt. Now that's broken free, I can just remove it by hand. Quick inspection and set it aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the sensor out. Going to work it free. If it's having a hard time, use some angled needle nose pliers to remove it. Just grab it by the connector area and just pull out. And there it is. And now to install our new intake camshaft position sensor. Go ahead and slide it in. Make sure it's flush and push down. And now for my 10mm bolt, I'm going to thread it in by hand. Be careful not to drop it. Now let's torque this to 89 inch-pounds. And now for our connector. Slide it up and in. Make sure you hear that click, now push the tab down. Then make sure it's secure. Let's go ahead and reinstall our engine cover foam. Gonna align the tabs. Now for our cover. Remember there's two rubber grommets. We're going to align these and push down. I'm going to reinstall my oil cap. And finally my T30 bolt. I'm going to thread it in by hand first. Then snug it down. Now we're going to make sure the cover is firmly in place. And that looks good. And that completes our install. Go ahead and start the vehicle, take it for a road test, and ensure you don't have any codes. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.